What's up everybody and welcome back. This is way different. Starting out in the shop, not in that tiny garage. It feels good, it feels really good. As you can see, I still have crap all from the garage. I have a bunch of crap in here from the wall that I blew out, but I'll get back to that in just a second. Welcome back. I'm doing reno stuff and I'm gonna show you everything that I've been up to. So, also, a lot of you guys have been hitting me up on Instagram, been hitting me up on my channel and asking about when the shop's gonna be ready, when they can bring their cars to me and that stuff, and I promise it will be soon. So hold tight. I know the availability right now isn't there yet, so I'm still working at Toyota, unfortunately, but I'm trying to get out of there so that I can be here full time and help y'all, meet y'all, do things with y'all. I don't know, have everything that we can do here in the shop. So hold tight. Oh, excuse me. I was out in the front doing a bunch of stuff.
Oh my God, what's wrong with your face?
And so I'm all like stuffed up. But I want to show you everything that I've been doing, show you the updates, show you what's going to be going on. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, you can see that there is this giant mess down at the bottom. That trash can over there is full, so I haven't been able to throw that out. And I'm probably going to need to make a dump run because there's a bunch of crap out of here that I need to get gone. So that being said, you can see the wall is now open. If you saw in the last video, the welcome to the shop, you know that was closed up, and that was one of my first things that I really wanted to do. So let me kind of show you the progress that's going on with it. But you can see the wall's open, and it's gonna be really nice. Sitting on the couch, sitting right here, you can actually see out to the shop. You can intermingle with people, we could talk, have music going, we could have the TV going, the video games, whatever, all that type of stuff. So opening this up really made a huge difference as far as being able to be like interacting with people. So up here was kind of a bear to clean. There's cobwebs everywhere. You can see there's like rat crap. I'm still trying to suck up and get stuff done. Gross. But this wall is insulated, this wall is insulated, and now this will be a wall. You can see that I framed up along here. I'm not a carpenter, so it's not professional. It's as professional as I can get it. Anyway, so I made this along here because there is a metal frame back here and metal right here that's not real easy to drill into when I'm gonna be putting up sheetrock like this. So I made a wall. All it's gonna be is just a standard wall with sheetrock across it, so that way I can put some texture on it and then run some baseboards, some paint, make it feel a little bit homier up here. So I did some patchwork, and yeah, the last thing that I really have to do is I just have to frame up this last little part, and I'll be able to go down, get the sheetrock, and start putting it up. So that's project number one. I want up here to be done so that way I don't have to worry about when people come to the shop, drop their car off at the shop. Down here I can paint and do stuff, but I wanted this to be livable and comfortable for people. So that's number one. That's done. Well, not done, but almost done. And then we can start moving the couch and the refrigerator, and I have some things I'm gonna buy for it. Number two is over here through this shithole. I started cleaning up in here. I got the paint today. It's gonna be the same paint as the outside, at least two of the walls. I'm going with a dark, and I'm also going with a light gray. So, and then I'm gonna do some accent stuff, but I'm not gonna tell you all because you guys are gonna be here, so you're gonna get to see it yourself. But clean this out, getting this ready for merch. Mike and I are working on getting merch cabinets from a couple people, and we will be putting merch stuff together. So, okay, yeah, next. Out front here, you can see that I'm kind of cleaning up all this. I moved this out of the way. I patched the hole actually over there. I need to patch this hole over here. I'm gonna be taking this pipe that's useless along here off. I took the stickers off the door because I'm gonna be painting that. And then I cleaned up out here. I do have to get like a bag of concrete and get rid of some of this stuff and flatten this out. I might even put like some lawn chairs out here or something for people to chill. And then on this wall will be my big crown. Yeah, I'm stoked on that. That's probably gonna be one of my favorite parts. This wall is gonna be a dark gray, and then I'm gonna be doing the red around here, and I'll probably paint the door black. And there's my lift, still out here. That's why the appointments aren't going. So yeah, so we need to get this lift inside. So me and Mike are trying to figure out where to put it, who's gonna install it, change over to 220, that type of stuff. But yeah, Everything in here, the aligner lift is out. You can see over there in the corner that they moved it out. And so we're getting stuff ready. Stuff's rocking and rolling, but for the most part, it's really not that bad. We just have to do some paint, some cleanup and that stuff, and finish that room way up there. So as I start building, I'll continue on this vlog, but I wanted to show you kind of what the update was going on. Mike's on his way, and I'll get right back to you. Get out of there, you bastard. And welcome back. It's day 2. I didn't tell you that I was quitting. I didn't tell you that Mike didn't show up. I didn't tell you what was going on, but a lot has happened since the last time that I vlogged. So I want to show you what's going on. And plus, I wanted to make sure I don't have any crap on my face. That last part of the vlog on the other day, I noticed I had a little black speck right here, and that's embarrassing. However, I didn't want to redo it. And so yeah, might as well keep on going. So if this doesn't look busted up, let me show you what also isn't busted up. The front, the loft, the everything I have been working on. This wall we painted. It's a carbonized gray that I found from Lowe's. I really like the color, thought it would look good. It's gonna look really good when I start to do the red around the door, around all of the trim. Pretty much that you can see is a faded red right now will be a very vibrant red here pretty soon. I actually have an idea for this, but I don't want to show you yet because I don't know if it's going to work, and I'm not going to tell you because I don't know if it's going to work. So another thing that we did, if you come in here, you can see that now the walls are all painted. I started getting some new covers. I painted this wall. That's the same carbonized gray. It looks a whole lot darker in here, but it's definitely the same as the other side of the wall. I painted this gray, this gray. We're gonna do white trim around here. I gotta paint that disgusting looking thing, but things are coming along. I have flooring that I talked to actually the owner about, and we're probably gonna put it in here, and it's super sick. It's not just some cheap linoleum, so it's really gonna dress up the room, and I'm very excited about it. But you can see right now, it's still just the concrete. I need to get some white baseboards, and then after that, then we can start putting merch cabinets in here. Mike and I have talked about an idea for this wall that we're excited to show you about. And so yeah, so this room is getting along, it's getting there. There's still this big pile of crap because I haven't been able to make a dump run, but I also wanna show you up here some of the new addition stuff. Looks pretty much the same, except this wall has been mud taped. Holes have been filled. I have some stuff today that I will be doing, sanding this stuff down, breaking it down, and I got a can of the texture stuff. I've never used a texture before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how that goes because I wanna get this painted. And I also built the frame on this side, and everything along here now will be done. And I know that I told you guys in the last video that I was going to put drywall up on here, but I think I'm going to change it up and do a little bit something different. So I'm excited to show you that too. But as far as it's gone, we've gotten a lot done. There's a lot of stuff going on. Final stuff is going to start coming together, and we're going to be able to see pretty much the rest of this wall being covered. Yeah. So anyway, that's the update with this. I'm gonna get started. I want you guys to be able to see the rest of the stuff that's going on as I do it, taking off little small things, cleaning up things, painting things, removing things, and that. So that being said, it's time to get to work. Okay, so I finished sanding. I used the texture can and I finished texturing the wall. As you can see, I'm a complete mess. This construction stuff is super disgusting. I thought working on cars was bad, but the dust and all that stuff, they could have it. I don't want to do this much longer. But we're almost done and I'm excited. So let me show you what the wall looks like. You can see it has the texture on it. I probably need to get another can because it's not as thick as I wanted it to be. And actually I have to get another can because this little part is not fully done, but yeah, okay, it's almost done. However, it's almost there. So this stuff will dry. I'm gonna go get another can. I'm gonna do that little part and then I'm gonna paint this wall. So my next vlog will be the finishing of the loft. I'm gonna get the stuff for this wall over here. I'm gonna get the stuff for over there. I'm gonna get the railing that I'm putting across here. I'm gonna get the flooring done, and then I'm gonna start decorating it. So the next vlog, you will definitely see a completed item up here, and hopefully the completed on the bottom. So I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I appreciate you guys staying with me, wanting to see the renovation, interest in the shop, interest in all of the stuff coming forward as far as the appointments and DMing me and constantly asking me about stuff for the shop and congratulating and all that. I appreciate you guys so much. I feel so much love. I'm very lucky to have all of you guys staying tuned with me, repping me, telling people about me. The list goes on and on. So I wanted to thank you guys. All love, all peace. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.